Hey, Project Fam, I made out. I went on Facebook Marketplace, I went on Craigslist, looking at some other sites, and I found two fenders to match the car. I found a spare tire that matches the car. I found two donor doors. I found two side mirrors. Like, yo, let's go. That was a good haul. Although I had to drive to Brooklyn, and then from Brooklyn, I had to go through Shaolin, across the Verrazano Narrows Bridge into New Jersey. I went down to New Brunswick, picked up the parts, brought it back. Yo, I felt I scored. The fenders I picked up for like half off. Not half off dealer price, but half off like the market price, what they were selling on the market. Like the fender I got for $200. Stop telling price. All right, $200 each fender. The fenders were $200. Anywhere else on the marketplace is like $400 to $500 each. You buy it from the dealership, it's $700 plus shipping. So let's round that up. $800 at the dealership, $500 anywhere else in the marketplace. I scored each fender for like $200. So you couldn't tell me I got a good deal. So last night I came in here and I was looking at my fenders and something's not right. This right here, if I were to draw a straight line, it would cut off over here, right? See that? So this is much shorter. And then when I look at this, it's not the same. This is actually a lot longer. If anyone else is cringing because of the flimsy sheet metal sounds, you're right. Man, that stuff weighs nothing. So let me do a quick and dirty measure with my tape measure. Something's not right. So let me just do a quick measurement from this tip all the way here, just to kind of see where we are. In a straight line, I'm at about 50 and 3/4 inches. 50 and 3/4 inches, right? Using the same straight line theory from here to here, I get 53.5. So basically, this comes all the way down here, and that would make more sense because it is longer. Therefore, I got the wrong fenders. I was so happy about it, number one, because not that it was the same color, but because it was gray, which doesn't matter. It came with my little clip for the fuel door, which I'm missing. So I thought it was complete. Now I have to go back to the drawing board. First of all, see if I can return these fenders to the salvage yard that I bought them from, fully legit with the VIN numbers, and then try and find the new fenders. I got a really, really good deal on these fenders. And I'll tell you why this is different, because this headlight, let's see if we could put it in there, right? These headlights, this one is the other side. Right, this headlight, dude, really? Okay, let's put it in. So in the 99 models, this one comes down a little further, and this little dip in the bumper doesn't exist. It's a flat line right here. And this headlight, that's the other reason why this headlight's hard to get, because it is unique. So far what I've noticed is that this headlight design only exists on some 2002 to 2004 models. I don't even think it exists on the Boxster. So yeah, this is just gonna be more of a challenge. So my trip to Brooklyn to get the doors and the side mirror was a success. Was an absolute success. There you go. 2 side mirrors, 2 doors will work perfectly. I kid you not. Not only did that door and side mirror work perfectly, I might even keep the side mirrors black. I keep going back and forth. Am I going to paint it the color of the car? Am I going to keep it black or repaint it gloss black? I think I'm going to go with gloss black.
Almost. The only difference with the doors is the moisture barrier. It doesn't have a cutout for the large Bose speaker, which was an option, but not a problem.
Yeah, apparently the Bose speaker might be a little bit larger than the standard speaker, but no, it really doesn't matter because I do plan to swap the speaker out, swap the radio out at some point, of course, at some point.
But my trip from Brooklyn through Staten Island to New Jersey to get the bumpers, complete bust. Now I have to drive probably another hour and 15 minutes one way just to take those back, if he'll take those back, and I gotta see if there's a restocking fee. So, you know, when we talk about projects and problems, these are the type of problems that come up when you're doing projects.
This is me in the future. Well, yeah, he did not charge me a restocking fee. He actually took them back with no problem, so I was just out some gas, toll, and lunch. Cause yeah, I did stop and get something to eat while I was in Jersey. So I didn't finish the door, but I am going to close out this session. So what I managed to do was I managed to move the door closer to the actual car, and now it'll be a lot easier for me to take parts off this door and see what's happening. Move to this door. You have no idea how much it annoyed me that my door wasn't nearby. I had to keep walking all the way around the garage just to get parts. All these little plastic pieces I moved up here. Kind of moved the headlights, just cleaning up the garage a little bit. And this is what I couldn't understand. Like, everybody knows what this is, right? This is let me show you. This is how you open the hood, right? It's a hood actuator. Why do I have two? Is one for the rear trunk? No, because the rear trunk is different. It doesn't have a handle. So whoever disassembled this car, disassembled it right next door to another Porsche. This is actually from a Cayenne, I think it is. So some of these doggone parts just don't even make sense. This is going to be even worse. This is like trying to put together a 1,000 piece puzzle and somebody mixed up two puzzles. So now I got to figure out which piece is for this puzzle and which piece might be for the other puzzle. Oh yeah, I'm wearing a hat. It's still cold out here. But I'm happy that I was able to get this far. Next time I'll get back and I'll do a little bit more on the door. I'll try and put on the molding. Put the molding over here. I'll try and mount the side mirror. I will try and mount the door card. I'll put everything back on, and that's what I'll do next time. All right, everybody. Hey, thanks for tuning in. We'll talk soon.